Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist. Are you ready to draw a cool pirate ship? Let's draw together. First, draw 2 big sails. Great job! Now draw the pirate symbol. Awesome! Next, draw the tall mast. Add a little pirate flag on top. So cool! Now let's draw the ship's body. You're doing great! Draw 3 cannon holes. 1, 2, 3. Next, add the plank lines. Nice work! Now draw the ropes that hold the sails. Now it's time to color. Color the flag and sails black. Color the mast and ship brown. Color the cannon holes black. You can use any colors you like. Now, add some darker shadows. Finally, add a few bright highlights. Wow! This pirate ship looks amazing! Drawing is so much fun, isn't it? See you next time! Bye-bye!